Hakasi thodi jo kata yo kata hakalai poitere globir ahaja apply Tnad Pulit jo Meghalaya kala Pynlong state level conference halor ka jing persha ya ka jing khayi ya ki brio ya ka ni ka conference la Pynlong state convention center Shillong ka jing thmu jong ka ni ka conference ka long mat pin smo thu ban ai jing tip sekretariat sarkar prepare kin thup na do ka Tnad Pulit ka Tnad labor Tnad social justice bar ki wei halor ki an ki batham mai kumno banile persha ya ka jing khayi ya ki brio Hagani ka si lai don langru Director General of Police ULR Bishnoi, Director Joka Meghalaya State Judicial Academy Uba KLM Nongbri, bar ki wei de.
Just recently, by the way, I watched a video of a 17-year-old. Have anybody seen that? A 17-year-old in the rat hole of the coal mines. I don't know whether that's illegal or not, but here was this guy, having he's a YouTuber, and he's getting a lot of likes and subscribe. A lot of people have subscribed to his video. I mean, here blatantly he's crossing the line. I mean, it's a child under 18 in that kind of labor situation. It may be bonded labor, but he's also using technology to kind of speak out, and perhaps he doesn't know the consequences. But then these are the things that are happening today. So when we talk about the role of technology, we can think about a whole lot of things. I don't want to get over there, but we have to see. But where are our children going, and what are our children doing? That is the scary part, because too many things are happening. And so then, what we need to do. There's another point that I want to state, because previous speakers already spoken about the push and pull factors. Push and pull factors over here. The pull factors, talking about jobs and cream jobs and so on. I have only one word to describe them. I call them dream peddlers, because they use the psychology, that these are dreams that you can dream, whether it's a good job, an opportunity to go out, whether modeling or good money or a chance to get up from a condition of being an orphan or poverty and so on. So they're selling dreams. They hit on the vulnerable with the very thing that attracts people. So the strong pull factors there. And regarding the push factors, the socioeconomic factors and so on, and the offers, and the people who are vulnerable. By the way, how do we know that the people are vulnerable? The predators, they know, because they have observation points, where they observe who are the vulnerable. And so they prey on the vulnerable.
The human trafficking, when we discuss things about human trafficking, many ideas come to our mind. Many thoughts bombard our minds. What is a human trafficking? Why this problem is prevalent in India? What are the likely causes for these problems? What are the factors responsible for the human trafficking? And what is the existing legal provisions to take care of these problems? How this problem can be solved in India? All these thoughts come to our mind. If you have interest in history, in 11th century, the Alberuni visited India. And after that, in 14th century, Ibn Battuta also came here. Both of these travelers, they mentioned about the problems of the slaves system in India, where the human beings were purchased and sold like any other commodity. This slavery system is just like a component of human trafficking. And the human trafficking has many facets. The Article 370 of the IPC and the Immoral Trafficking Prevention Act 1956, they have described the human trafficking in very details. So basically, I'm not going for exact legal definition, but it has to be three components in it. First is action. Second is transportations, and third is the purpose. So the Article 370 has mentioned 5 or 6 action points. You have to take a person either by fraudulent means or by deceit or by the forceful means, like that, 5 or 6 factors they have mentioned.